This tutorial will introduce you to the calibration control feature in Vim Technologies Semlink 6 DAS software. From the Semlink 6 main menu, select Calibration Control. The calibration control feature is used to initiate calibration drift checks, analyzer drift checks, and quarterly audits. By the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with the layout of the screen and what each button does, daily checks versus audits, real-time results, and the PLC settings tab. Let's begin. The left side is the control where you can initiate a calibration or audit. The right side displays real-time progress and results while the calibration or audit is running. Use the PLC settings tab to configure the components of a calibration or audit. A drift check or audit can be run in full sequence, or each step can be manually triggered. You can set the time of a calibration or audit to run automatically, and the duration of each step can be configured. To launch a calibration or audit manually, highlight the desired sampling system at the bottom of the left panel of the screen. This loads the calibrations and audits configured for that sampling system. For daily checks, click the Start Calibration button to perform all 4 steps: 0, high range span, low range span, and blowback. The real-time drift column will highlight each step's value green, yellow, or red during the check. Click the Abort Calibration button to abort. The recovery period is the time elapsed after the last calibration step or purge event before data is flagged as normal again. You can also run individual steps. Click the Off link to On to kick off one step of the calibration drift check. If you run the steps individually under Toggle Individual Steps, no results will be logged to the database. For audits, select the sequence. While audits cannot be scheduled to occur daily in the same manner as calibrations, they can be scheduled to occur at a specific minute on the hour. They also can be launched immediately and run through a set number of cycles. When the current minute equals the minute to start, an audit sequence is initiated and runs until the specified number of cycles is reached. To start an audit immediately and run it for the specified number of cycles, set the minute to start to 0. Set the desired number of cycles for the audit to run. Click the Start Calibration button to perform all steps of that sequence. Under the PLC Settings tab, you can edit recovery and step durations for audits. Calibration targets and gas cylinder information can be accessed here. For daily, you can set up step, recovery, and purge durations under the PLC Settings tab. The durations are all in seconds. To disable the automatic timing feature for all calibrations for that sampling system, you can uncheck the Enable Automatic Calibrations box. Targets and gas cylinder information can be accessed here as well. This concludes our tutorial on the calibration control feature. For details on other Semlink 6 features, refer to our Semlink 6 online help.